Hi everyone, in today's video you will learn how to create a professional portfolio page with Elementor where visitors can filter your photos by category instantly. And to understand this exercise we are using industry photography. For this we will keep layout minimal and photos should do all the talking. I have added a main title, photography portfolio and subtext. Now for the next step, let's organize our photos first. So we will use a post as a photo projects. So after uploading all the photos to media, go to the post, create a categories first because Elementor's categories will dynamically filter the photos and it won't reload the page. So I am creating here a category wedding. Now I have created all required categories. Now I will go to the post and I will create each project as a post. So I am adding here, let's say wedding sample title. So I will add title and I will add featured image and category. Now my all photo projects have been added as a post and I have assigned required categories to it. Now I want to create my photo card. So for photo card I will go to template, add new and I will create a new loop item. So here I am selecting loop item and I'm creating here photo card. Source type I'm keeping it post. Now in this loop item, I will design my photo and its relevant details display. So this card design keeps the focus mainly on the photo with subtle details appearing only on hover. So whatever I want to put by default and on hover, I will all adjust here in this loop item. Now I'm happy with this loop item. So I'm going back to the page. Now in the page I am adding that loop grid. So here I am going into Pro, adding loop grid. After selecting I am assigning its template. So I am choosing our template name. Okay, so our dynamic photo grid is ready. All the required changes related to look and feel you can select it here. I want masonry. I'm okay with the 50 items per page. Column, let's go with the 4. Let's add some space. So I'm adding some gap here. So our dynamic photo grid is ready. All we need to add is a filters. Now to add photo filters, you need to select a Pro widget, that is a taxonomy filter widget. So I'm dragging and dropping here. Here you select loop grid 1, just add categories. Okay, so all our categories has been selected here. Put subtle styling so it looks elegant. And here you can check out more option, item alignments, direction. Then you can also apply multiple selection. Mostly you can use it in a WooCommerce website. You use this more. Now here we have a number of taxonomy as well. First item we have titled that all. So by default we are showing all photos and later on we are giving user the option to select specific category wise. So I'm just adding a simple styling, just color and all. So let me add that. Now let's check the preview. Now once desktop view is ready, you can also check out responsiveness of the page. So you can check a mobile view, tablet view, and provide a necessary change like typography. You can make a typography smaller. You can check out how filters showing and working in smaller size and all. So you can apply those changes accordingly to your this grid as well as your loop item as well. Now let's see the preview. So this is how you can connect that Lightbox gallery preview with this filterable gallery. So this is it for today. If you find this useful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Thank you for watching.